Now it is time to review WPI's online application process. Let's begin on the Student Resources page. In the top link in the center of the Student Resources page, you will see a link for Student Registration/Application Process. Click on that. The registration form and application for admission may look similar, but they serve two very different purposes. WPI allows students to take up to 2 courses prior to admission to a graduate program, but we strongly recommend that you fill out and submit your application before you begin classes. This allows you to get started with your studies while you gather your supporting documents for your application. On the Graduate Registration and Application Process page, scroll down so that you can view all of the different types of applications and the documents which are required for admission. Students who would like to seek admission to the Systems Engineering or Power Systems Engineering programs should use the CPE application, which requires specific information for those programs. MBA students should use the School of Business application. All other online students should use the standard online WPI application. Please note that official transcripts are required for application to all programs, and any original documents that are sent in as part of your application will not be returned to you. First-time users will create a unique username and password when you are logging into the application. If you exit the application, you will be able to log back in until the time that you hit submit. You will also be able to send messages to the people who you have requested letters of recommendation from. The whole form usually takes about 20 minutes to fill out. Some programs may require a plan of study as part of the application. For these, you will be sent a basic plan and can review it with your operations manager if you have any questions. Please be aware that if you make changes to your plan of study, you will need advisor approval to keep your records up to date. This is especially important if you wish to take an elective from outside of your intended major so that you can ensure that you complete your degree requirements. One more important note about the application. Please make sure that you hit submit once it is completely filled out. We have had students who have missed that step, which prevented their application from being processed. Since we know that the decision is important to you, we want to ensure that your application is processed without delay. Technical support, applications questions, and instructions are also available in links at the bottom of the login page for the application. Once an application is complete with all supporting documents attached, it will be sent for review by the academic department. The time frame for this varies for each department and can take several weeks. For instance, the Mechanical Engineering Department gets the highest number of applications. They may take up to 12 weeks to review applications because they want to give each one a full measure of careful consideration. If you get worried about your decision, you can check with your operations manager. They will not be able to speed this up, but they will be happy to check the status for you. We will keep in touch with registration reminders and notify you periodically of any supporting documents that we are waiting for. While waiting for an admissions decision, most students are able to get started with their first course or two, making sure that the pain of waiting for an admissions decision gets minimized. We are here to help. Whether you are participating in a company-sponsored or open enrollment, fully online graduate program, please remember that your account team can provide additional assistance with the application process. Contact your operations manager or online at wpi.edu for further assistance.